This is communism. Vietnam is the second largest exporter of coffee globally, known especially for its Robusta beans, which are a staple in many coffee bean brands and blends around the world. Vietnam is one of the largest exporters of textiles and garments in the world, supplying major brands globally. The textile industry is a significant part of the country's economy, employing millions of workers and contributing substantially to its export revenues. The electronics sector, particularly smartphones and components, is another major export area in the country. Companies like Samsung have large manufacturing plants in Vietnam, making it a critical hub for electronic production and exports. Vietnam is also a top exporter of footwear, supplying a significant portion of the world's demand. The country is home to manufacturing facilities for many international shoe brands. Shoe brands such as Nike, Adidas, Puma, Skechers, Converse, Timberland, Vans, and Doc Martens. Also, Crocs are also made here in Vietnam. Vietnam is the largest exporter of cashew nuts in the world. The country processes and exports a significant volume of cashews, supplying major markets in the US, Europe, and in Asia. As one of the world's top rice exporters, Vietnam plays a critical role in the global rice market. Vietnamese rice is exported to numerous countries, contributing to food security worldwide. Modern Vietnam is positioning itself as one of the future leaders in the world. Vietnam is positioned to become the 10th largest economy by 2050. There is only one question left. Are you ready to explore one of the world's fastest growing economies? Welcome to the 35th largest economy in the world. My name is Kevin, and in today's video, we're going to explore the remarkable transformation of modern Vietnam, a country that's rapidly evolving while maintaining its unique identity. Additionally, by purchasing power parity, Vietnam ranks as the 26th largest economy, which underscores its substantial market size and economic influence in this region. From economic reforms to technological advancements, and from environmental efforts to cultural preservation, Vietnam's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Let's dive in. Vietnam's economic transformation began with the Doi Moi reforms in 1986, which shifted the economy from a centrally planned system to a socialist-oriented market economy. These reforms spurred rapid economic growth, with Vietnam now averaging 6 to 7% GDP growth annually. Key sectors like manufacturing, technology, and services have driven this progress, attracting significant foreign direct investment from global giants like Samsung and Intel. Urbanization has been a cornerstone of Vietnam's development. Cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City have expanded rapidly, supported by major infrastructure projects including highways, bridges, and metro systems. These developments have improved connectivity, reduced traffic congestion, and supported economic activities by making transportation more efficient. Vietnam is positioning itself as a tech hub in Southeast Asia, with significant investments in technology parks and innovation centers. The government is fostering a tech-savvy workforce. Partnerships with international tech firms and a focus on STEM education are propelling the country into a global tech arena. The startup system is a testament to these efforts. Tourism has become a vital economic sector, showcasing Vietnam's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. With millions of international visitors each year, tourism contributes significantly to the economy, creating jobs and boosting foreign exchange earnings. Government initiatives have improved tourism infrastructure, making Vietnam an attractive and safe travel destination. Rapid industrialization has brought environmental challenges, but Vietnam is committed to sustainable development. The government is promoting renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power and improving waste management practices. Major projects like the Trung Nam solar power plant reflect these efforts to balance economic growth with environmental protection. Economic growth has led to significant social changes. There's a growing middle class with increased disposable income, leading to shifts in consumer behavior and lifestyle. Urban areas blend traditional and modern lifestyles, with young people embracing global cultures while maintaining Vietnamese traditions. However, challenges like income inequality and the urban-rural divide still persist. Vietnam's education system has seen substantial improvements with a strong focus on STEM education and vocational training. These efforts prepare the youth for a modern economy, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. Government and private sector initiatives provide ample opportunities for young people to engage in tech and startup activities. As Vietnam modernizes, preserving its rich culture heritage remains a priority. Efforts to maintain traditional arts, festivals, and historical sites are ongoing. Even as the country embraces contemporary culture, this balance is evident in the fusion of traditional and modern elements in architecture, cuisine, and daily life. Vietnam's political landscape is marked by a dominance of the Communist Party, which has maintained political stability while implementing economic reforms. The government's approach balances economic liberation with strict control over political expression and media, ensuring social order and sustained economic growth. Vietnam's integration into the global economy has been facilitated by various free trade agreements like the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, or the CPTPP, and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, or RCEP, and the World Trade Organization. These agreements have boosted exports, attracted foreign investment, and integrated Vietnam into global supply chains. The country's strategic location and competitive labor market continue to make it an attractive destination for international businesses. From economic reforms to cultural preservation, Vietnam's transformation is a testament to its resilience and vision for the future. As the country continues to rise, it remains a unique blend of tradition and modernity, charting its own path into the global landscape. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Vietnam's incredible transformation. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and your questions that you might have for me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any fascinating insights into this global transformation and stories from here in Vietnam. Make sure you hit that icon to get notified when I drop another video. See you on the next one.